Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make Fuljar soda, for which I have taken cumin seed powder, sugar, salt as per your taste, some fresh mint leaves, 1 lemon, green chilies, ginger and sabja seeds, and any soda you can take. So let's start. First you need to take some mint leaves in a jar, mixer jar. After this add sugar to it. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon of sugar and 2 green chilies and ginger is required, so I am cutting it in some slices and adding to the jar. So friends, now I am adding cumin seeds powder, half spoon, and lemon. Add lemon juice to the mixture and grate them well in a mixer grinder. So here I have squeezed and grinding all the ingredients together. A thick paste has been formed. After this, add water in sabja seeds for 10 minutes and let it pour. Okay, so now take a glass and add the thick paste to a glass. In a small glass, after this I am adding salt as per my taste to the thick paste and sabja seeds 1 spoon in a big glass. Now add soda in a big glass and add the smaller one into the larger one. Now you can see, wow, it's looking lovely. Now the recipe is